I'm part of that 1%. I make 6 figures a year. I'm at 22 years old. I work out. I'm in shape, but I'm a 1% person. I'm just getting started. What's up with everyone? So a 1-minute withdrawal. If you win, it's cool. If you lose, it's cool. You just come back again tomorrow. The whole point of trading is to have a way of making money long term, to have a way of making money outside of your job. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna happen overnight. You're not gonna win every trade. But trying to get perfection in trading is never gonna happen. I don't have a secret tool, a secret tip, a secret quote taught me how to do what I'm doing. I'm just simply learning from the experience. I'm learning as I go on. The same thing that I did to make $700 trading is inside the free course. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Right now, I have a little bit of a different start to the video because yes, I am about to go live with VIP. Yes, I'm about to be live with the team, but I already called a trade. I'm already up $700. Now, I didn't call the trade with the team like live on the call as I usually do just because I wasn't on the charts. Like right now, it is 9:37. I got to charge a little late because I was trying to turn everything on and everything, but I was calling the trade out. This is when I actually thought I was going to be able to be on the chart before everything started tweaking, but I was saying short-term bearish, meaning I wanted to see short-term fall and overall bullish on the indexes, and I said that at 9:26. Then I showed them the trade idea that I was watching. I wanted to see a short-term fall from that 1 hour fair value gap to drop to the 8 session low, and I explained that right over here, as you can just see. I explained everything. I'm looking for a 1 to 2 easy, getting everything set up, and then boom, I told them when I entered. I showed them when I was only up $100, entered at the 1 hour fair value gap, let's see, and then boom, 9:30 hit, and it hit the 8 session low, and I closed it for a 1 to 2. Not bad. I usually win bigger trades, but it was a small range, and I knew overall it could still be bullish because that was my main bias. I was already mainly bullish. I just knew there was short-term room for the fall, and it made sense. So I caught the trade. So we've already made our money for the day, but we're still gonna go live with the team. Still gonna give value, explain the trade and everything, and watch what else happens. Because right now it looks like the longs are playing out. What's up with everyone? How's everyone doing today? And we're done with the trading day. It was smooth. I already showed you guys the trade that I took. I didn't take no trades. We were just watching other people's trades. Keno caught a trade. Keno took a loss and a W, so I think it was around a break-even day for him. We had Cal. Cal's still in his trade as of right now, so we haven't got the result for his trade, but there's a whole bunch of other results that I'm about to show you in a couple minutes. But nonetheless, it was a great day. You guys gotta understand, show up every day and do the process. It's as simple as that. Show up every day, follow the steps. These aren't steps, but have your steps written down and simply follow it, bro. If you win, it's cool. If you lose, it's cool. You just come back again tomorrow. The whole point of trading is to have a way of making money long term, to have a way of making money outside of your job, to have a way of making money consistently by yourself with no boss. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna happen overnight. You're not gonna win every trade. But trying to get perfection in trading is never gonna happen. You just gotta win more than you lose. You can lose money and still make money overall. Understand that, because trying to be perfect is only going to lead to unmet expectations, and that's going to just lead to emotions, and then emotions are going to lead to you going on tilt, domino effect, you blow your account, rinse and repeat. It's the cycle just keeps continuing until you learn from the lessons, and trust me, I've learned from the lessons, and I'm going to take my little $700 and call it a day. If we come over to the results, so I'll show you a couple we have right over here. Alicia, she's up $220 on one account, and she's up $420 on this other account. We have over here Dean. She says she's going to be getting her first payout. She's up $700 and her funded account is at $3,000. Or she said, yeah, first payout coming soon. She bagged her 5th day on Top Stop. Not bad. We have Dyson. He's up $300 from these shorts and his stop loss is in profit, so he can't lose money on this trade. And who else? We have a whole bunch of trades in here. Whole bunch of trades. This is the trade that Alicia was in that actually made her $700. We have over here. We have Aaron. His first trade, he said he won in 3 weeks. Or in 2 weeks, he's up $600. But hey, you win some, you lose some. It's part of the process, and that's what I want you guys to understand. Cortez, he's in some longs on NAS 100, up about $300. And it just keeps on going. And then you guys saw the trade that I called. Boom, the entry. Boom, the exit. Boom, how much I made. Simple. We just do it every day. Before I leave though, you can see the time 11:57. About to come over and do the withdrawal from today's trades for $790 though. So we're gonna come over to the withdrawal on Hanko Trade, pick the right account. Then we're gonna type in the amount. So we're gonna be doing $790. So we type in $790. What we're gonna do it through, which is Bitcoin, address, just copies and paste, withdraw. Then we'll just get the email. This is a very repetitive process, but it's not nothing I haven't shown before for all the new people. You come over, you verify it, boom, verification, and then it's gonna be completed, and all that will be done in a matter of 1 minute. There you go. So a 1 minute withdrawal. So now with that being said, it's time to get the rest of our day started. Trading is just the first part. Still got to go to the gym, create content, give value to the world. This is just one portion. I got to walk the dogs and do everything still. So let's get all that started. Let's have a great, wonderful day. Yeah, these mirrors are whack. Yeah, these paintings aren't the best. They got the one that we already got. Now we just got out of Ross. Just got some shorts. I got some tank tops. But I'm hungry as shit. It's like 1 o'clock right now. I still haven't ate. Hungry as fuck. But I don't know what we about to eat. We about 25 minutes away from home, so we're probably gonna get something on the way back. And then yeah, still gotta head to the gym. I'm just tired of this cloudy weather. I haven't seen the sun in days. No sun in days. Guess what? And you know what? Maybe it's just waiting for when we move. Maybe that's what it's doing. Let me check the weather. What's it looking like? Yeah, it looks like shit. All right. Well, I don't know. Well, we will only have to wait for time to tell, but today's ugly and the next couple of days also look ugly. I'm gonna go get some food. You'll see whatever we eat whenever we get there. We getting some tacos. If you guys have been watching the videos, you know I always go to taco spots. I haven't been eating as much just because we used to eat that shit literally like 3-4 times a week, just going crazy with the tacos. Then we're about to head to this fruit drink spot, get some mango fruit drinks. It's a great combo, but these tacos be hitting. Anybody that knows Tacos de Oros? There's a few different spots in Tampa, but this one right here, it be hitting different. It is like a 20-minute drive, 25-minute drive from the crib, but it'd be worth it. But right now, we about to get the food, about to go get these drinks, and then we're gonna head to the crib and then continue what we do every single day. Today's just a regular day. Nothing crazy. This is what I do. I gotta eat, I gotta work. I do everything the same. The only thing I haven't done yet is just go to the gym, but it'll be done. Yo, this fog is crazy. Out there, that heat is hitting. Like, look at this, bro. My headset is like all slimy just from, look at this, bro. This is just from walking outside. It's all wet from the heat and just condensation. My camera be getting the same way, but I cleaned the lens, and now that we're in the AC, it's actually good. We're about to get this workout regardless if it's an ugly day. Like right now, I'm coming to where usually the sun hits my face and I can get good lighting. Right now, it just looks like a opaque window. I can't see shit through. But nonetheless, we about to get this full body workout, full body every single day. I don't care how much pain I'm in. I don't care how much my legs hurt, my body hurts. The fuck? I don't know. Every time I'm in the gym, I be hearing shit crazy. But like I was saying, regardless how I feel, we're gonna put that work in. We're gonna do what's required to improve physically, financially, everything. We've already made some money today, so I'm not really focused on trying to make more money. Too much of anything is bad. I made some money. Now I'm gonna focus on my mental, which I already did. I spent time with my girlfriend. I went out. I already did all these little things. Now, about to put myself back in the pain, back under stress, about to go to the gym to work on my physical. Then when I'm done my physical, I go home, I relax. While I'm relaxing, I edit the content to give value to you guys. That shit keeps making noises. Maybe it's telling me to go work out. So the one thing about like success and entrepreneurship that I didn't really understand until I was going through it was, we really don't do anything that you guys can't do. Like, I'm not really doing anything every day that's out of the ordinary. Like, I don't have a secret tool, a secret tip, a secret quote, a secret video that I watched that taught me how to do what I'm doing. I'm just simply learning from the experience. I'm learning as I go on. I'm just simply trying to improve every single day. I'm learning about myself every day. I'm learning about what I'm good, what I'm bad at, but it only comes from actually being aware. Awareness is key. You can go through the same mistakes for years and years and years, but if you're not aware enough to realize what you're doing, the cause of it all, the reason of it all, every cause has an effect. You just have to be aware. Too many people are not focused. They're just focused on the external stuff, focused on the news, focused on the politics, focused on, like, say, for example, the music playing right now. You got to be focused on the one thing that you're trying to get done, one thing at a time, one step at a time, one task at a time. Trust me, I'm the person that loves to do multiple things, but I also know that trying to put all of your focus into one thing at a time versus trying to put all your focus into 3 things at a time, it makes more sense when you put it into less things. Less is more. So, without all the yapping, let's get to this workout. Put this headset on. Let's look for a podcast to listen to, because I keep telling you guys, everything I tell you guys is what I tell myself. I'm not going to tell you to constantly educate yourself, listen to podcasts, listen to YouTube videos where people are trying to improve you if I don't do it myself. I'm not going to tell you to go to the gym if I don't do it myself. I'm not going to tell you to have risk management, to be disciplined, to be patient if I'm not doing it myself. These videos are literally just me speaking to myself. Words to myself, words to my younger self, words to my older self. It's just me versus me. And indirectly, by me telling you what I'm doing to improve, you can do the same. You know what time it is. Education, let's get it. And team, this is where, hold on. How to fix the brightness for you guys. Quality is everything. One of the things about me, I may have OCD or something because I just need everything to try to look as perfect as possible. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's my OCD, maybe ADHD. I'm not mentally there all the time, but sometimes I wonder if maybe something happened that made me this way, because at the end of the day, I'm part of that 1%. I make 6 figures a year. I'm at 22 years old and I'm just getting started. So I'm a 1% person. I work out. I'm in shape, but at the end of the day, I can only just be grateful that I'm actually able to take advantage of the opportunities. But I'm about to go get food, gotta edit this video, gotta continue to give you guys the daily content. None of this is easy. I gotta sit here, edit the content that actually makes you feel good watching it. It takes time and it takes actual skill to be able to make someone feel a certain way just from giving them content, just by saying certain things. You know what I mean? That's a skill set just in itself. But if you guys wanna learn how to trade, free trading course, free trading webinars will teach you everything when it comes to my daily trading concepts. The same thing that I did to make $700 trading is inside the free course. I promise you, it's all there. I'm not gatekeeping. VIP may be paid for, but VIP is strictly to show up every day and have a community of like-minded individuals to trade with. It's not going to teach you the systems. It's going to teach you how to use the systems real time, how to manage your emotions real time, how to actually be present, how to be patient, how to be consistent, how to show up every single day. That's what VIP is for. So stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.